Welcome to our iTrax installation video. Step 1. Insert straps into the mounting plate. Step 2. Secure the straps to the pole and tighten the straps. Step 3. Install solar panel bracket with 3 screws on mounting plate on the pole facing south. Step 4. Install camera bracket with 3 screws on the mounting plate on the pole of the view you want the camera to monitor. Step 5. Install cellular antennas on the side of the box. Step 6. Power camera on by flipping the toggle switch on the opposite side of camera. Step 7. Place camera on camera bracket and align the holes on the 2 brackets. Step 8. Using 2 machine screws, secure the camera to camera bracket. Step 9. Place the solar panel on the solar panel mounting bracket. Using the horizontal bar on the back of the panel, make sure holes are aligned with the bracket. Step 10. Using 2 wing nuts, secure solar panel to bracket. Step 11. Connect the solar panel cable to the camera. Your installation should be complete. For more information or any questions, contact us.